Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates bayodlala against TS Galaxy. Ozobe kuyigame ebaluleke kakhulu for Orlando Pirates ngoba bayawudinga ngempela u3 points. Njengoba nje bayodinga u3 points, bayodlala against a team like TS Galaxy. I-team bafethu ke engacucuzi. Uma udlala ibhola elingayenzi sense against TS Galaxy, they get to punish you. Bayakwazi bawapunishe ama teams angakwazi asebenzise amathuba awo. So akuyona nje i-team esingayithatha kancane. So kule game le Orlando Pirates iyawudinga u3 points. Njengoba nje bedinga u3 points, remember Mamelodi Sundowns ishiye Orlando Pirates ngo2 points. Uma Orlando Pirates iwina le game le bazoba ahead of Mamelodi Sundowns, kodwa ke iSundowns izoba negame in hand. Orlando Pirates le game eliyiwine ngama goals amaningi. So ngizoshayelana prediction yami, wena ke ungangitshela eyakho ukuthi ilana prediction ikanjani. Ungayigxeki eyami but ke ungitshela ukuthi ubani ongabaqalisa against TS Galaxy. So mina ke nabo abadlali engizobaqalisa against TS Galaxy ngokwami. Ngitshela bakho ke wena. Ngiqala nje epaleni bafethu. Epaleni ngaqalisa uSipho Chain. Sipho Chain will be the goalkeeper against TS Galaxy. Ngokwami umjida ube deserve ukuthi ahambe nebafana bawulungiselela ukudlala kweWorld Cup. But ke Hugo Bros ucabange okunye. Maybe mhlawumbe umjida kumele alungise lapho nalapho based on iattitude, but ke singesazi niyamazi ku Hugo Bros. But ke I know umjida uzokwazi ukuthi ahambe nebafana kuyiwele eAmerica. Kule game umjida kubalekile ukuthi abe ne clean sheet. Yabo i-clean sheet ibaluleke kakhulu for uSipho Chain kule game. Remember ke njoba nje sizoba nama clean sheets, the more we have ama clean sheets, the more kuzoba ngconywana for Orlando Pirates ukuthi uwine iBetway Premiership, because i-clean sheet yenza kube ngcono kwi-goal difference. The more we don't concede, the more izinto siba ngconywana. But ke iSundowns kumele sithembe sithandazele ukuthi iSundowns ayiconcede. Nokuthi ayiconcede, sithandazele ukuthi nje iyakorelwa and futhi ke iyadropa ama points. But ke that is a huge ask coming from a Orlando Pirates fan, because nathi sahlule ukuthi bajide sibavimba. But ke let's hope. Yabo nango umjida engamvimbisa. Masukuthi ke kuma center backs le game namhlanje ngaqalisa bani na uSibisi with uSiyema. Yabo I know a lot of people have differences regarding the center back pairing bafethu. Kodwa ke ngokwami changing a center back pairing at this stage of the season angeke uyisize ngalutho Orlando Pirates, because if we do that kuzoba worse than we have right now. Abajida concede kakhulu. I don't know why abantu abaningi bekhala kakhulu. We are not conceding. Masubheke i-defense Orlando Pirates so far yenza kahle. Now wonke ama defenses akhona kwiBetway Premiership. You are not conceding goals. Why are we shouting at these guys? So far mina ngokwami abajida benza umsebenzi oright. So kumele siqhubeke nabo, because if we do change i-center back pairing right now kuzoba worse kakhulu njengoba sinako. So I trust abajida ukuthi kule game le so idlala against TS Galaxy bangawenzi ama silly mistakes, because if we do make ama silly mistakes, players like Ozindonga bazokwazi ba capitalize kuma mistakes lawo, bakwazi bakore against uSipho Chain. And asifuni ukubona into ezikanjalo, because thina once sa consider kuvele kube nzima ukuthi ke sibuyele egamini siwine igame. Kuba nzima kakhulu. Kungangcono ukuthi Orlando Pirates kule game le yakusasa ikore kuqala, because uma sikora kuqala ilapho khona sidlala kahle. But once i-team yaskorela siba ne pressure, sifakele pressure kakhulu. Yabo isidingo singekho. So labajida bawu2 I trust them to deliver against TS Galaxy. Masukuthi ke kuma wing backs kule game leso idlala against TS Galaxy bazoyibaleka kakhulu, because ibona abazokwazi baphushe iTS Galaxy. But ke one thing I like about TS Galaxy, they don't like to sit at the back kakhulu. Yabo bayakwazi ukubadlala ibhola emuva, bebedlala ibhola emuva bayakwazi ukuthi progress towards their opponents, bakwazi ke capitalize, bakwazi bawakorela ama opponents. We saw them against the Mamelodi Sundowns. The players, they know how to play ibhola. Yabo they are strong, but strong abajida bakwazi yabo badlale physical. So using these two wing backs abajida singakwazi ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siba expose emuva. We may play a dummy, we may play a false nine. Umjida ozokwazi ke akhipe defense yes Galaxy on a high line. Yabo bamshiye umjida ngale. Mayibemshiye umjida kanje ngale, labajida labo bawu2 oku Dion Hoto benobani benosibelebele bazogijima baye phambili. Yabo kushawa ibhola eliqhamuka kuSiyema noma lishawa ibhola eliqhamuka kuSibisi. Yabo behind the defense TS Galaxy. Remember the player oyidami la false nine uzoma nje lapho ngeke aza interfere with anything. Maseqhamuka labaki ilapho ke khona azobe sebeshaya cross kushawe inqako. Simple. I trust these wing backs to deliver against the TS Galaxy. TS Galaxy iyadlala bafethu. Masekuthi ke laphana ku number 6 position. Number 6 position, you know the deal. You know the guy to do the job. The guy to do the job is bani Makehleni Makaula. Makehleni Makaula so far umjida he have been doing very very good for Orlando Pirates yabo lapho nalapho yabo improvement sayidinga but ke so far umjida he has been doing very very good for Orlando Pirates. Masukuthi ke lapha abadlali abazodlala phambi kwakhe ngaqalisa bani na ngingaqalisa uTalente Mbatha with uTito Maswanganye. Talente Mbatha with uTito Maswanganye, these are the players I would start against TS Galaxy. Yeah, I know some people may say, Vane, why not start Ubani Mfukeng as number 10? I would love to start Mfukeng as a number 10. I would love to start Mfukeng as a number 10, but when you look at Tito Maswanganye umchida, each and every time I see that boy playing for Orlando Pirates, une goal again. There is a goal each and every game we start for Tito Maswanganye umchida yabo kunama chances abanawo abalekile asiza i-team. So umqalisa kumele simqalise against TS Galaxy. Umjida uyakwazi ukudlala, can create something out of nothing. That is what we need against TS Galaxy. We need those kinds of players abazokwazi bayithatha i-team bayibeke ngale ku finish line. We need players to take Orlando Pirates bayibeke ngale ku finish line because we are chasing a point machine kwayisho labani Jose Rivera. Masukuthi kuma wingers nakhona sifuna consistency kungaqhamuka abadlali abazohlala ebenchini baqhamuka sebezodlala. No, yabo lento kunama game second half iyona lento le esenza singadlali kahle because ukuthembela kakhulu abadlali basebenchini yabo kuyasebenza sometimes but sometimes akusebenzi. So why not start the game with your strong 11 because we are fighting for iBetway Premiership. Left wing ngaqalisa bani na ngingaqalisa uRelebohile Mfukeng. Masukuthi ke lapha na ka right ngaqalisa bani na ngingaqalisa yena umjidi uTsepang Moremi. Mina ngokwami ngingamqalisa uTsepang Moremi as a right winger. So these will be the wingers for Orlando Pirates ngokwami. Yabo uyayibona ke lineup so far: Sipho Chain, Siyema, Sibisi, Masokubu Sibelebele, Masokube uDion Hoto, Makehleni Makaula, Talente Mbatha, Tito Maswanganye, Mfukeng, Masokubu bani uTsepang Moremi. Masukuthi ke upfront ngaqalisa bani na ngingaqalisa Oswina Police. The big reveal, I'm sure abantu abaningi bebengalindele ukubona ngizoqalisa ubani Oswina Police. I would start Oswina Police as the number 9 for Orlando Pirates. Remember, I'm not just doing this just because I like all of these players. Ngifuna babe khona ku starting 11. Cha, Orlando Pirates sekuyadlala vele kanje before. If you remember the game we played against the Saint Lupopo, the second leg, yesayidlala Orlando, we started the game like this and we were very very good. We started that game without a strike. We ended up scoring 3 goals. We were very good clear game liyana. So ngokwami ngingayiqalisa kanje igame Orlando Pirates against the TS Galaxy. Yabo, all of these players bayakwazi ukukhahlela, all of these players bayakwazi ukukora. Sike mhlawumbe ucoach amqalisa Evidence Makgopa. Vele ne team lesodlala na TS Galaxy iyakwazi uqala ibhola emove. Yabo, and Evidence uyakwazi ukupressa. Yes, ngamqalisa Evidence akule game le, but ke now also na Police uyakwazi ukupressa, uyakwazi ukuthi aye khona ngqo ayo pressa. That is what I like about Oswina Police too. But he's not a striker, yes, but he knows how to shoot ibhola anything. You know, idinga striker ngonje ukushaya ibhola